It's now time for the tone test. Everything's been set up, we've got the silver knobs. The major change which I've talked about is that customer at the end, hello Pete, said, Gavin, it's gonna have like a scratch plate, isn't it? Well, of course I designed it without one, but so I found a white one in the garage, put it on. Damn if it doesn't look good. Really annoyed about that. I had to fettle it a bit in order to get it to fit because I had put the parts on not in line with a scratch plate, but in line with how I like to have a humbucker placed in proportion to the scale. So a little bit of fettling in order to get that to fit. Nut. As much as I love making nuts, and it's a worthwhile thing to learn, you get them one stroke wrong and they're very wrong. The action's set up wonderfully. The intonation is wonderful. And it sounds beautiful. So, this is just to go through the sounds. There'll be one more video, which will be the summation of everything that's going on, beginning to finish, and then I'm going to wait a couple of weeks and do post-implementation review. Thanks to my background in working in offices. It's always good to wait a couple of weeks, see what went right, what went wrong, what can we learn from it. There it is on its own. Fender Deluxe as usual, just a little bit of reverb. And what's that? There's a coil tap for this. So you pull it out, that's coil tapped, down to the standard Telecaster 50 blue bell output. Lovely. Then the humbucker. So, no. That is lovely. It's just a warm, round, it's got the guts that you want from a humbucker. But it too can be coil tapped. It's lovely. And in the middle position, of course, is adding those two together. So. What's even nicer actually, hello fish, there's my plectrum, thank you, is shoving a little bit of delaying chorus on. And may the Lord forgive me for everything I've said about bridge positions and Telecasters before, but it's wonderful. A little bit of drive from the fender. Everything, by the way, is on 5. On everything, except the drives I think on 4. So that's the bridge, humbucker. Well, what if you wanted to go a little bit over the top? Well, I've got Boss Turbo Distortion DS2 down here. So what's the system? It does the job. I love this. Next video will be the summation of everything. So, thank you very much for watching. Toodle Pip.